Hi friends, my name is Atul Agarwal. I'm Director Technical at Reiz. In today's seminar, we will discuss the key aspects required for optimized factory lighting. These are the 12 important aspects that you must look out for before you decide your factory lighting. Manufacturing of LED luminaires must have a totally integrated manufacturing environment, which includes A. Electronic drivers, B. The modules, and C. The luminaires. This is important because all these three aspects are intertwined and interlinked in an efficient LED luminaire. In order to get good efficiency from luminaires, the LEDs must be placed by robotic pick-and-place machines. Amongst all the safety aspects of any electronic or electrical appliance, fire safety comes first. Certification of LED drivers and LED luminaires, especially from internationally approved laboratories, is a prerequisite which you must insist for. In order to check whether efficiency claims are true, you must ask for IES reports, which are generated from gonophotometers or integrating spheres. As you know, LEDs are available in a wide gamut of colors. Thus, it's important that when you order a particular color temperature, say 4000 K, then you must get the same color throughout the entire lot or future lots of light that you may order. Heat analysis is a very important aspect of LED luminaire design, and you should insist on the LM79 reports, which tell you about the performance of LED modules. Also, LED driver thermal reports are critical for longevity of drivers. LED light engines must be made with carefully selected raw materials of aluminium, adhesives, PCBs, and of course the LEDs themselves. Computer aided design can preempt most of the problems associated with the stringent lighting standards. Factories are often subject to high voltage surges due to the switching on and off of heavy machinery and also high ambient temperatures. Thus, driver design, module design must take care of these adverse situations. When it comes to choosing the most important aspect of the LED luminaire, which is the LED, we recommend these top 5 international manufacturers: Osram, Cree, Nichia, Samsung, and Cial. Factories have huge areas, but is it important to light up all the areas uniformly? No. Thus, the importance of optics is critical in order to place the light where it is needed most. As LED drivers work at high frequencies, factories with sensitive equipment must check that all LED lighting conforms to bare minimum noise specifications. An important prerequisite for a 5-year warranty is that all components that go into an LED luminaire must be sourced from reliable, internationally approved suppliers. Most factories have some form of high accuracy, sensitive work, and it is important that the lighting should not be glary or uncomfortable in any way. International standards limit the level of flicker to less than 10%, but unfortunately, in India there is no standard for flicker, and this important aspect affects factories even more because they have moving machinery, moving parts, and flicker forms a stroboscopic effect on any moving part, and which can cause further dizziness, headaches, and eye strain. Before spending a packet on LED lighting, every factory owner must insist on benchmarking reports and, in fact, also check out the benchmarking. It's fairly easy to check out simple parameters like power factor or even lux levels at given distances. And Reiz luminaires are, in general, 25%, at least 25% more efficient than the popular consumer brands. There is no doubt that the LED driver is actually the heart of the entire system. And the drivers, besides being super efficient with good power factor and total harmonic distortion control, must be able to withstand very high abuse of over voltage, even under voltage, especially for factory environments. Also, surge withstanding ability must be at least 3 kV for indoor lights and 6 kV for outdoor lights. Careful use of light planning tools enables us to accurately predict the lux levels available for parking areas, offices, and assembly workstations. Lighting for offices and boardrooms must use deep recessed luminaires with excellent glare control and dark light reflector technology to ensure that there is minimum glare to the users of these critical spaces. The ubiquitous 2 by 2 is a great light for corridors and offices, general offices, admin areas, etc. Indirect lighting, like the trapeze, are perfect for low glare lighting for applications in boardrooms. In order to optimize the lighting of each area of the factory, it is important to design the entire space using simulation, light planning and simulation software like Dialux, Relux, and many more. Very often, there are expensive troffer lights which are already present using the older fluorescent technology. And here it is prudent to use the retrofit lamps of T5 or T8 in order to salvage the expensive troffer lights and utilize their anti-glare property. Very often, factories have great amount of indirect sunlight coming in from windows, and this must be optimized by using the LED tube lights with built-in sensors which can harvest the daylight and in turn dim the tube lights in the times when natural sunlight is abundantly available. Offices which don't use false ceilings can benefit by using the long, sleek lines of this rapier light. Warehouses have specific lighting needs in that they need more of vertical illuminance rather than horizontal. And for this, asymmetric lenses are important. Production areas have differing heights of ceilings, and this requires careful light planning in order to choose the right type of luminaire with the correct mounting provision and the correct optics. The end result should ensure an even spread of light on the entire production floor. Outdoor foliage can be lit effectively by the small spike beamer hoodie light. Factories invariably have pathways and driveways, and these need to be lit uniformly using special optics designed for type 3 small roads. The beautification of outdoor spaces is also important to give a pleasant ambient evening lighting space. With modern LED technology expected to last in excess of 50,000 hours, it is absolutely basic to expect a standard minimum 5-year warranty. Companies which have a long standing list of prestigious clientele will certainly stand by you in the years to come. I hope this has been a useful seminar for you all and will enable you to choose your factory lighting more judiciously. If there are any doubts, you are most welcome to email me at the email address given at the bottom. Thank you and Jai Hind.